Hello everyone. Good morning, good evening. This is Pradeep Pandey starting his new inning today after retirement. I'm starting a new YouTube channel called Sankalan 5 Minutes with Pradeep. Those who do not know the meaning of Sankalan, Sankalan in English means compilation. So what I am going to do, I'm going to compile my learnings, my experiences, and my stories, and will come in front of you through different episodes. I hope you will like it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and stay connected with me for my stories. One disclaimer here, this channel is my private YouTube channel. I don't represent any company anymore, and hence the views expressed here are all my personal views, has got no connection whatsoever with my earlier companies. So I always start something with stories, and that has been possibly the advice from many of my colleagues, friends. So I'm going to start the same thing today. Since I've just finished a lot of parties, lot of farewells, so I thought I will make a humorous story on the party. The story goes like this. In a party, an organizer felt that the number of people attending the party were much more than the number of invitations sent. Hence, the organizer went onto the stage and called out, "Those who are from the bride side, please come to the left of the stage. Those who are from the groom side, please come to the right of the stage." As expected, 25% people went to the left, that is the bride side, 75% went to the right, groom side. Because in Indian marriage, groom side gets more attention and sometimes upper hand. Once this exercise was over, the organizer said, "Brothers, this is not a marriage party that you have to select between the left and the right. It is a farewell party of Pradeep Kumar Pandey, who is retiring from the corporate life." So this was on a lighter note that I am retiring. I have retired and starting something new today. But I would like to acknowledge one thing, that in these 35 years of my corporate experience, I have come across incredible individuals, very talented engineers and managers, and world-class leaders. And everyone had influence on me. Their support has helped me a lot. So thank you everyone for whatever you have done for me. Every time I come with a new episode, I will share one of my learnings. So today I want to share what has worked for me in this corporate world. I realized that one can achieve success by three means. Number one, your personal power or personal influence. Number two, positional influence. Number three, relational influence. The personal influence works on your personal charisma, your personal knowledge, your personal power. You are so charismatic that people will listen you and you can get the things done. The second one is a positional power, which works because of your high positions in the company. You can dictate terms, my way or highways, and you can get the things done. But the third one, that is the relational one, it takes time. It doesn't happen in one day because it works on emotions. People have to test you and they have to test, you have to test them and they have to test you. They have to have trust in you and you have to have trust in them. You have to have walk the talk examples every day. Then only this emotional connect will start and people will start believing in you. And this works forever. The other two are temporary. So this is the one thing I wanted to share today. Many more such things will come in the next episode. So please stay connected with my YouTube channel. Give your feedback, your comments, motivate me. Thank you everyone for watching this first episode of my channel. Have a good day.